What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, click that subscribe button down here and stay up to date with my newest videos, guys. Without further ado, guys, we're gonna start our JLT intake and our throttle body install. So let's get down to this video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so what will you need to install? It's very simple, straightforward, guys. You just need a star-shaped screwdriver to remove your 3 bolts that are holding the box. And yes, my car was made in Canada, so you got your heat thing, so not a lot of people have that. And you got your little ratchet kit that you will need for your 8mm bolts. I think they're 8, but we'll just find out together. And to remove these, pull the box out, get this other bolt out, and pull it out. And I forgot to tell you guys on the last video on the unboxing, I did win with the red filter, the oil one. Why? Because where I live, there's a lot of dirt. Right now, I'm still working on my driveway. It's a big driveway we're gonna build. There's my F-150. And it has, I was checking the intercooler pump on this one. I was just checking the level and everything, so everything's good. So as you can see, I'm still working on my house, but that's something else. But yes, so we're still working on it. But that's what you guys will need. That's why I got that filter, because where I live, there's a lot of dirt. It's like a small desert, so I'm gonna start unclipping all this, guys. Once I get all this stuff out, we'll come back to the video and keep on going. Okay, so we already got the Hellcat airbox out, because I do have the Hellcat airbox, but it was a little bit of a hassle because you got our intake tube up here, your duct that comes from the grill from the Hellcat. I did loosen our coolant reservoir just to move it out a little bit, because it was a struggle to get this whole piece out. It's like an inch and something, so you got to make room and push it back out. There's our stock throttle body. I'm going to do comparison once I get this one off so you guys can see the difference. So you're going to see that all this is carved out on the other one until like all the way up to there. But let me show you guys the box. So this filter is going to go, I'm going to give this K&N filter to my cousin. He has a badass fucking car, and I'll show you guys in a bit. This is your stock Hellcat lower box, and this is my stock SRT box. So you see a difference from the Hellcat. They come like a little bit bigger and shaved out. So I'm gonna start by installing, well taking off this throttle body and come back to the other one. I'm gonna remove the lock tab that's here. You gotta push it back, then you just gotta grab this thing and pull it back. Let me get my other hand. I'm not a lefty, so. And just like that, you pull it out, and this is your yacht sensor. So I'm gonna remove that, come back, show you the difference, and we'll keep going. Okay, so we just pulled it out. You gotta use a let me see, 5/16. So these bolts is the same for the clamps up here too. So just make sure your gasket's in there and it's pretty good. It's not torn or anything, so you don't have any leaks or something like that. But I'll show you guys the difference between both throttle bodies. So this is the 80mm stock throttle body that comes on the Mopar's 392s, and this is the 87mm. So you guys can see the difference side by side. You guys can see them, it's a little bit bigger. You can see the porting on it in the machine and where it stops and starts. And let's see the stock one, it's just flush. So these guys just come in and port this part, like, and just leave that little rivet on the bottom. You can see a little edge on this side, but overall it looks pretty good. And look, these are new parts. These are original from Mopar. They just poured them. This is the back. I'll show you the back. They just poured them pretty damn good, and we're gonna see a difference in top and power and more airflow. So you can see this one, you have your little rivet here on this one, and these guys flushed it out on this side. So give you a closer look, you can see, and on the stock one. So I want to put these back and let's see what the difference are in our gains. Okay, so I already bolted on my throttle body and I already put the box in, and man, it's a great fit. Just look at this, just look at the inlet on over there, and it seals perfect, completely sealed on the sides. It's already all the way down, the grommets on this side. So I'm just gonna put the bolt that goes in there. But just look at the seal. This is what I was looking for, something that will seal perfect with the hood and leave all this air out. So it's bigger, more air is gonna come in through here, through the bottom, and through our duct, our hubcap duct, so it's gonna work good. Okay, so our install is done, guys, and let me tell you guys, it's pretty damn easy. It took me about 25 minutes to get the other one in, get this one in, switch the sensors, and I kept my my vacuum line that comes here because I already have the small filter, so I kept that. But man, the fitment, everything's good. Got your duct in the bottom, so we're here on the very bottom, so there's gonna be cold air coming in through there. But man, the fitment's pretty damn good. I love the way it looks. I was gonna go with the blue one, but I was like, nah, just stick with the red one. But it clears perfect. I already closed my hood. Clears perfect. So let's start it up and see how it sounds. And it's gonna be a cold start, so I'll give you guys a cold start too. So there you guys have it. We let the car warm up a little bit, and damn, that intake sounds pretty damn good. That was 3,000 RPMs every rumble, but no service engine lights. Everything seems good. So I'm gonna throw in my catless mitts again, because right now I have my cats back on, so I had to take it down to a dealer and get some recall done to it. It's fixed, so it's fixed. So I'm gonna put my catless mitts back on, and we're gonna go test it out. But stay tuned for that video, guys. If you like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe. Stay up to date with my newest videos. Peace.